know you've seen a lot of educational or fact-filled videos online, especially here on YouTube, and you start to wonder, what if you could do the same thing and earn money as well? Well, how these types of videos are done won't be a mystery anymore, because today I will show you how you can create a simple video using these free, easy-to-use AI tools in the comfort of your own home. So make sure to follow along with me as I give you the full instructions. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed to be up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. When it comes to the production of videos, there are essentially three basic components that need to be created. Initially, there is the script, then there is the audio, and then there is the video. And today I will tell you how to use AI technologies that you can use for free, which would make it easy and quick for us to develop these three components. So for our first component, we have Chat GPT. This is an artificial intelligence technology that will be responsible for writing our script. Simply navigate to openai.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page to get started. Choose the Chat GPT option, and what it does is, when we give it instructions down here at the bottom of what our post is about, it will generate an article or a few brief paragraphs for us to use. So for instance, I'd want a 30-second script about what to anticipate when adopting a pet. You will need to give it a couple of seconds to finish creating, at which point you will be able to look at what it has produced here. You can now check to see if everything is in working order. It has resulted in the production of a brief essay that is packed with useful information regarding our topic, which is all about getting a new pet. The only thing we needed to do was wait for it to produce, which took a little under a minute. Now, the really neat thing about this one is that we didn't even have to lift a finger to create the script, nor did we even have to hire a person to write it for us. This is the truly cool part about this one. Consider that it may go for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or even longer. The time limit is completely up to you. All that is required of you is to explain to Chat GPT what it should be. There may be a few tweaks here and there that need to be addressed, so make sure that everything is in order. You can even add more specifics to it by tapping the Regenerate Response button after we've determined whether or not we're satisfied with the script. Finally, our script is complete and ready to go. Now, before we get to our next step, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and explore more money-making strategies created just for you. Let's go back. After that, we will work on the audio. Regarding this matter, we can go one of two ways. Either record your voice reading the script, or use a text-to-speech technology such as the ones that we are going to use today. Both options are available to you. Therefore, the next AI technology that will be producing our voiceover is Lovo.ai. This tool comes with several different pricing levels, but we can get by with the free option for the time being. Therefore, the first thing that you will need to do is sign up to set up a free account. You can create an account using the email address you provided. After that, you will be brought to this page, where you will be required to enter a few pieces of information and where you will also be required to validate your account. You are free to copy and paste the script that was produced by our previous tool into this box at this time. You have the option of selecting whichever voice best fits your project. Let's just select a friendly voice. After that, check that all of the sentences have been selected so that we can convert them. After that, we won't have to wait any longer than 1.5 minutes for our project to be finished. Now that we have that out of the way, let's give it a listen by pushing the play button over here. I suppose there is nothing to worry about here. When you are satisfied with this one, all that remains is to click the download button. Although this AI tool is not free to use, Lovo does provide us with 3 free downloads, which is already a wonderful perk. And with that, the audio file has been successfully downloaded onto our PC. How is your experience so far with all the steps I've shown you? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to tell us where you're watching this from, so we'll know which countries our methods have reached and where these tools work well. Anyway, let's move on to the next step. Next, the video must be created, which brings us to step number 3. So I have this application application on my computer called Pictory.ai. It is another artificial intelligence technology, which means that, in a nutshell, it will generate the video for you. Simply supplying the script is all that is required of you. To get started, the first thing that has to be done is to register an account. Simply enter your name, email address, and password, and then click the sign up button when you are finished. After that, Pictory will give us the option to select the kind of project that we will carry out. We will choose script to video at this location, and once we have done so, I will click on proceed over here, which will bring us to this page, where I will then begin entering the script. To get started, all we have to do is copy and paste the script that GPT has given us, and then we will utilize that script over here to create a video out of short clips. Both of these processes are completely free. After that, we will be brought to a page where we may select a format to use for our document. At this point in the process, we can see a preview of how the text we entered will appear in the video. Let's go with this one since it seems to have a good potential. Also, for the aspect ratio, choose 16:9. Now that we have this choice, we may modify the video for each sentence. Next, we just need to find appropriate video clips to match each text. To accomplish this, we may search for a few relevant terms using this box over here. Take your time to browse through all of the numerous clips that are available on this sidebar, from which we can select one to use. And with that, let's begin recording our voiceover. What you will need to do is pick audio, then navigate to my uploads, and then drag and drop your file, which is the audio file that we have made using Lovo, into this section, and then apply it to the video we are currently working on. You can add background music, therefore choose which song best suits our video. When you are finished and you are satisfied with how everything appears, go to generate and then select video. You have now successfully produced a video that flows seamlessly with narration and is now prepared to be uploaded to YouTube as a video. This strategy is fairly easy. Start with only a single video. You simply need to have a concept or a video theme begin over here, and then you can produce it with these free AI tools, which, by the way, are pretty excellent. When you have finished the first one, which is typically the most difficult, the future ones will be much simpler. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more ways to make money anytime. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.